Today I'm going to be teaching you about a variant, the Z variant. Just a quick interruption before we get back to the video. I like to make a short announcement. Now, as of recently, I haven't been posting as frequently as I should have. And part of the reason is because I've been actually working on a new platform, a digital platform, which you can find the link to in the description below, which its purpose is to be a digital library for the Chivabwe writing system. I hope you found this platform useful in helping you learn Chivabwe. Now, let's go back to the video. The first character we see here is the base character for Z. Now, the next character that we see on the screen is the variant symbol for Z. Z only has one variant, and it is used consistently across all the characters which allow Z to be used on it. And now these are the characters that use the Z variant. We have DZ and NZ. Now let's look into the breakdown of each sound, of how the Z variant is applied, with O as an example for the vowel. This is DZO. As we can see, the dot over there represents O. Now let's look at the breakdown. We have D and the Z variant and O. Now let's move on to the next sound, NZO. Why don't we look at the character breakdown? We have the base character of N, we have the variant of Z, and then we have O. And that is how we get the sound NZO. Moving on, quiz time. Let's do a quick quiz so that we can really make sure that you've understood what you've learned. And let's see if you can get all these questions right. Which one is the correct Z variant? This should be easy. I shall give you guys 10 seconds to figure it out. And time's up. If you needed more time, feel free to pause the video and start again when you're ready. The correct answer is option A. Now, what's the correct Chivabwe for the sound N-O? We did O and we did N today. Let's see if you can get it right. Let me start the timer right now. And time's up. The correct answer is, once again, option A. And for the final question, find the character that represents the sound Z-O. The correct answer is option C. Now, let's do one more recap before we end the video. Do you remember how to draw the breakdown of this character? Well, let's draw it together. I'll start off with black for the base character, D, and then I'll use gold for the second character or symbol attached to it, which will be Z, and then I'll use red for the last part of the character, O, just a dot. So I'll use blue to draw the base characters of each of them. So we have D, we have the variation of Z, which the base character of Z I'll write in purple. This is the base character of Z. And then now O is just a dot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you liked the video, please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out the application that was announced.